I'm him now. I'll say like this is me and yours, not me. At first, secondly, my name is Redemption. My name is Redemption. I'm hailing down from beautiful and God masterpiece village of None, Manipur. Why so laughing? No, in my mind, I'm amazing like I'm in bathroom. Okay, thank you. So happy to hear you're all very happy. And after that, I come here after graduation. I come here after graduation to pursue my higher studies, and I'm taking tuition in Bajiram and looking forward to appear exam in the future. Lastly, all Zeliangrong Ringtelo once again, thank you all.
A warm and pleasant afternoon to everyone present here. I'm Ining Kwalam Pame. I hail from Impal Village, Zeliangrong of Manipur. I'm a student pursuing economics honors from Miranda House. I'm so thrilled to be here and I'm enjoying this event. And thank you, Zeliangrong Student Union, Delhi, for this opportunity to meet all my mates and all my people. Thank you.
Hi everyone. It's my pleasure to introduce myself to you. My name is Lanchingai Gonmai and I'm from Manipur, None district, Lomai. I'm currently staying in Masudpur, Mata Mandir, with my two brothers, cousins. I'm working in bars and restaurants with 04 and N4. Thank you all.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Chumai, and I came here to work and has been working in BPO industry. I'm so grateful to be part of Zeliangrong. Thank you all.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chipramni. My mom is Tangpur, and that's the reason my name is Chipramni. And right now, I'm living in Chandrapur, working in the Admiral Solution, UK-based insurance organization. At the same time, I am also preparing for my PhD entrance exam. Yeah, originally from Manipur, Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Takwami Kome from Mandai village, Manipur, and I belong to Jame tribe. And I'm happy and excited to be here in Zeliangrong Frsher meet. Thank you. Zeliangrong Ringtelo.
Hello, everyone. I'm Caleb Nemer from New Impa village, Zeliangrong, Manipur. And currently I'm doing my BA program in BU University. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Daewon Yumi from Manipur, Zeliangrong. I'm a Bachelor of Arts at the Delhi University. I'm pursuing my BA program, second year. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Yalkun Pamai, and I belong to the Liamai tribe. As of now, I'm still in my 7th grade, and I just recently came back because of my father's work. And I'm very thankful for being here in this event, and I hope to see you all again. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Ganwang Kamai and I'm from Rongmai community and I belong to Mukti Namdai.
My name is Kongai Mai Rongmai and I'm from None district of Manipur. and I came here in Delhi to take coaching. And I'm staying with the tall guy just now who fetched me to Hola. Have a nice day, everyone.
Hello, good evening, everyone. First of all, I thank God, and then second, I thank all the congregation and the chief guests and everyone out there. My name is William Pamay, and I'm representing Lingmay. And I did my BCom from DM College of Commerce, and currently I'm working as an academic coordinator for Northeast entire states at MTG Publication Press Media in New Delhi. And it's been 3 months here. And my hobbies are playing badminton and reading, and I aspire to become an entrepreneur to run multiple business and travel the world. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Zeliangrong from Zeliangrong tribe, and I born and brought up from Mandu village, Zeliangrong district, Manipur. And currently, I'm working as a distributor in Nippon Enterprise Cell. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Itsidiheng Tereng. I am from Zumi village, Manipur. And I'm currently doing my master's in Department of Philosophy, Delhi University. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Firstly, let's give thanks to our Almighty God and to all the members and who are organizing today's events. My name is Kamay Pandisai. I came from Manipur, from Chinikon village, and my hobby is to sing, dancing, and playing football. My short term is go to be patient, be happy, and be flirty guy. And my long term is goal to become an IPS officer. Thank you.
Hello, Zeliangrong. How are you? Good afternoon to you all. I'm so excited when I came here. When I see you all, so beautiful. Just looking like wow. First of all, I'd like to thank Almighty God for giving me this opportunity. And secondly, I'd like to thank to my respected chief guests and guests of honor and special invitees, and to all my brothers and sisters who came here today. And my name is Lukailu Tawang, all the way from Manipur, Zeliangrong district. And I came here today to transform my life. Ordinary person, ordinary lifestyle to extraordinary life. And my dreams, my hobbies is reading and listening. Right now, I was planning to start up my own business. There is, I won't tell the name. But why do we choose a business? We must pay the price for the price. It means to attain one greatness, one must be willing to pay attention. One must be willing to pay the price and action to endure the consequence of their action. My dreams to become a powerful, successful, energetic, excited entrepreneur. And lastly, I want to express to all my brothers and sisters that challenges are what make life interesting and overcoming them are what make life meaningful. That's what I like to say. Have a good day and long live Zeliangrong. Bye.
Attention please, attention please. We'll serve lunch for 25 more minutes. So whomever has not had lunch, please help yourself in the catering station. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. I am Tankhaibo Daimai. Yes, Tankhaibo Daimai from Tamenglong district, Manipur. I belong to the Liamai community. I landed here in Delhi to pursue my graduation. I'm currently staying in Ghaziabad. And I'm so proud to be standing here, and I'm glad to be part of this marvelous community meet. I look forward to contributing to the community in the future. Long live Zeliangrong!
Good afternoon, everyone. You know what? This is the problem of tall people. We face this problem everywhere we go. My name is Zerakumba Nyumai. I belong to Liamai community. I came from Jaluke Parent District, Nagaland, and I came here for my father's studies. And my hobbies are like singing sometimes and playing music. Zeliangrong Thank you.